What do Roman laws tell us about family and inheritance? Roman laws reveal that family and inheritance were deeply intertwined in Roman society, reflecting the importance of family structure, authority, and property transmission. The legal framework governing inheritance was complex and evolved over time, but several key principles stand out. At the core, Roman family law was based on the concept of patria potestas, the legal power held by the male head of the family, known as the paterfamilias, over his descendants and household. This authority extended to control over property and decisions regarding inheritance. Only those who were sui iuris, meaning legally independent, could inherit property outright, while those under patria potestas had limited rights. Inheritance was primarily governed by ius civili, the civil law, which prescribed the order of heirs and how property was to be distributed upon death. The system prioritized descendants in the male line, called agnates, but later reforms expanded inheritance rights to include all children, whether born within or outside marriage, and more distant relatives, regardless of gender. Widows were initially excluded from inheriting because they were considered part of their father's family, but later laws and decrees granted some rights to widows and mothers, especially those with multiple children. Roman inheritance laws also made use of wills, which were a common way for people to specify who should receive their property after death. Wills were carefully regulated and usually written on 3 wooden tablets sealed to prevent tampering. If someone died without a will, called intestacy, the estate was distributed according to a strict legal order. First to descendants, then to ascendants and siblings, and finally to more distant relatives. The surviving spouse had limited rights but could sometimes receive possession of the estate under certain conditions. Roman laws also aimed to keep property within the family line, helping to preserve wealth and social status across generations. They recognized the importance of family continuity and social order. Laws like the Senatus Consultum Tertullianum and the Senatus Consultum Orficianum protected mothers and recognized inheritance rights for children born outside marriage, showing concern for family stability. In practical terms, these laws made sure that property stayed within the family, helping to maintain wealth and influence over time. They balanced the authority of the paterfamilias with protections for family members, adjusting as society changed. Overall, Roman laws about family and inheritance tell us that family was the foundation of society, and inheritance was a key way to keep wealth, power, and family identity alive through generations. These laws influenced many later legal systems and are still part of the legacy of Roman law today.